Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Secondly, it appears as though the approaching storm may have been a blessing in disguise for us in that it initiated the demolition discussion. That discussion has accomplished several things. It's eliminated a looming threat, a dangerous threat for our rescue workers. It will potentially open up probably a third of the pile so we can all, so the teams can focus not just on 2/3 of the pile, but on the whole thing, which is important. And, we want to make sure that we control which way the building falls and not a hurricane. So all of this together, I think, ended up being a good thing. I've said from the beginning that we don't have a resource problem, we have a luck problem. I'm starting to see this approaching storm as a lucky situation because it forced us into a conversation which has accomplished a lot of good things. Lastly, and by the way, I think that Congresswoman Wasserman Schultz said it well. This is a tragedy. Taking down this building is a sad affair. We have families that have their life's possessions in those units. We had families that had their life possessions in the units that were destroyed. So this is really just a continuation of the tragedy. Fortunately, this is something that has to be done.